Dr. Shalini Mishra, Senior Consultant Gynecologist and Infertility Specialist at Aishwarya Fertility Center, Bangalore. Today I will be talking about the basic evaluation in an infertile couple. So when the infertile walks into the OPD, there are basic blood tests which we are supposed to focus. So before we get into the basic evaluation, an infertile couple is those who are trying for pregnancy since a year and the pregnancy is not happening. So the basic evaluation, the first includes the semen analysis. In semen analysis, we see the two parameters. One is macroscopic, one is microscopic. In the macroscopic parameters, we see the volume, pH, viscosity and the liquefaction. In the microscopic level, we see the total count, the motility and the normal forms. The normal form indicates the good quality sperms. The second evaluation is the female evaluation, in which we tend to find out the female ovarian reserve. We find out the ovarian reserve through two methods. One is the blood test, AMH value, and the second is the 2D scan. In 2D scan, we just count the total number of follicles of both the ovaries. And we correlate the AMH and the 2D pelvic scan results and come to a conclusion about the female reserve. Third is hysterosalpingography tube test, in which we tend to find out the tubal patency, because tube is the channel where sperm and egg meet for the fertilization. The HSG is generally done in 7 to 10 days of the female cycle. There should not be any bleeding. The ovarian reserves can be calculated through the 2D scan on second or the third day of the period. AMH, which is a blood test, can be given at any point of the cycle. So, when the infertile couple walks into the OPD, these are the basic evaluation we should focus on so that we know what is the problem. Once we tend to find out the problem, we manage the patient accordingly.